We feel means in Dubai we have great leader. Compared to world means we have the best leader in Dubai, and their vision is support us to grow.
تقرب منازلها إلا محب زايد أسسها واليوث وراها داروا على الدانات 7 أبد إلا دار زايد لا تقرب حماها لا تقرب منازلها إلا محب زايد أسسها واليوث وراها داروا على الدانات 7 أبد.
My name is Ali. I am from India, basically from India, and we have moved in Dubai 15 years back. We started this company before 15 years. Yes. So now we already crossed 50 years, and we started in 2005.
Yeah.
We have moved from Kuwait. We are still having business in Kuwait. So we started one branch here in Dubai. Started our business from Kuwait. In 1992, my big brother, Mr. Yusuf, he started business there for making manufacturing of girls and ladies dresses, and we have small shops there. And gradually we have moved towards expanding our business, and then we found to move towards Jalabiyat.
Yeah.
Jalabiyat ladies wear, and we established our company and registered trademark of Sara. Then from that time we registered as Sara Plaza in Dubai. So in 1992 till 2000 we were just having business of Sara, 1 shop, 2 shops. Then once we registered our business, then gradually in 5 years we have extended around 6 to 7 branches in Kuwait. In 2003 and 4, my elder brother, Mr. Yusuf, he visited around 26 to 27 times to searching a shop, a good location shop in Dubai. So he worked very hard to find a good location, and finally we got one shop here in Dubai. In 2005 we opened here.
Yeah.
And from that time beginning, you have too much challenges, and cost wise also. Comparing to Kuwait, Dubai was very expensive, and legalized also means establishing a company, and small cost wise we compare with Kuwait, so it was very costly that time, but we wanted to start business here. As I told you, means 2005 when we started here, it is very expensive in Dubai. but we decided means we want to go ahead in Dubai because we know business is also very high compared to other places in Dubai. So and we got means very good support from government, like how many visas we need, what we need we can do means here freely, illegally. So like this we grow here. In 2005 to 2008 we had around 3 shops. Then we moved to malls, and we have now 4 shops in the mall Arabian Center in Dubai. Then we moved to Al Ain, Abu Dhabi.
وجنودنا ليهم فخر بسماها نيشان.
We are in Arabic fashion, Jalabiya. So we have our designer team in India, and my brother look after all manufacturing things. So he worked very hard to get unique designs. So we are in fashion, so design is our core theme. Means if we have something different, so we can sell it. And our brand is very famous, alhamdulillah, so everybody knows it. Everybody wait for new collection. In every year we get 4 catalogs, 4 collections.
Yeah.
So people means our customer eagerly waiting for new collection when we are launching summer, when we are launching Ramadan collection, Eid collection, winter collection, like that.
فخر بسماها نيشان فخر لنا دوم وابد وبنت زايد للوطن الله حباها ربة اجيال الفخر عز الطلب الا دار زايد لا تقرب حم.
We want to expand our business towards now abaya, black dresses, abaya. So with Jalabiya we are going now for abaya also. So our plan is, our motive to have around 20 shops with abaya.
نازلها الا محب لا تقرب حماها الا محب لا تقرب منازلها.
CVC compared to other countries, Dubai is very safe for investment, and we get very good returns always. So we feel our money is safe here, and we keep going investing our money here, and want to grow here.
ربة اجيال الفخر عز الطلب الا دار زايد لا تقرب حماها لا 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 تقرب منازلها الا محب لا تقرب حماها الا محب لا تقرب منازلها الا محب الا محب.
Work hard, and honesty is best thing for success, and I suggest all my fellow members means do your best, do things with your heart.